Assassini, airport in my eye, Mojana, Nanum Shegu, Nadi to my eye. Edumen, it was so, say a pay, Piatra so, Nindian Twassum, go to Cranin, Pessamin coming out, Eddie, Bremo, the Mamaya, Sassy, who do what to say. Oh my no, oh my no, yes and I said, oh my full private jet. Oh my no, yes and I said, oh my full private jet.
Here we go. Okay, this is my motherland, Lady Ghana tiny. Anything I go talk, we make a time. Bo, Bonia, hey, Bonnie Dana Fay, hey. Many me feel he kati, many won't pay. Malaba, he can't find the Baja in Cabo. When you look on India, Lava, where me Cabo. I promise on my own, I'm over Taya near Shona. Ling off a Mina Sana, Libukuna, no Shona.
Yamaena, Jumanchi, Afiko, May, Koan Kabila, Capito, Zaire Kai, Banda Bombanchi, Mudena Zwalumchi, Ubangijing Allah Wayma, Jumanchi, Afiko, May, Anna Muhammad Wayma, Jumanchi, Afiko, Yayamu Wayma, Jumanchi, Afiko,
Alright, there was a four and the pain, so my memo matching. Na memo akwaba, Emma Ago Ghana, Edumedi so. And that's where that for a trillion Punyankopon. Was she any atnas, you know? Now a commanding in Ayanefa or my Ghana home. I will make you a pomdian one seven, and in Puntu, me in a cabuma. Now my Ghana to me, aquanim. 80 and then so, 50 Samri could say, don't go back with the enemy, everybody, you know. A go Ghana Jumedino, and a boaquemu. I am in Okasevia because the platforms no Virgin One TV, GH, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And I feel Virgin FM online, and also modernghana.com, Zeno Radio, and IE Live Radio. After you maybe an app say app no download a Play Store. Now with me, a share a year television and I say radio, and I bet ya, Ninian and Aquanian Elho. But what they when you call Play Store type of Virgin TV Ghana. Now with me, I enjoy the best of our programs. If you are now person you be or best sponsor your program, so make inquiries. Ni na 0246 44 0033 0246 44 0033. And no a marketing department official liner. Obet me a friend na ebia. Jumedi bi na pese yedimi ebedi ma. Over partnership and as a sponsorship inquiry na so make here ni nyina na konya no e wo ho ana afin so dwumadi ya yetisu Ago Ghana e na no pay you person baso a simple 0547 286939 0547 286939 ya body pin gonya emu aka akra bi ni edu ho etie bia wodi dwumadi person yetimi ba na Virgin TV ye no be di djuma anase ba ase na bibia etimi koyia eno so enye ade emu odin bon wodin wo de offer number si am di tuje ya ye be ba ne ni oba be di enkomo production team etimi abom mo de palm na pen so etimi ehia ye ba bon komo afọ my Ghana ho ma be na do bia ejinamu nana ekua ata DJ Wiseman ana fin so deka ejina camera na chi wono a so editing wo semina wona ekutano enti bomodin se obedi echi Ago Ghana so jumadi no dwada kopu mefiada wo hwe yen abi usampa ebutu nkomo ana edi me so ebo asem ni nyina no betena se na me ne Ghana fo edi nkomo efrem pa kwesi dimanche ba me twa no na me ba na yakwa kodi nkomo
Yanara Assassini, airport in my eye, Mojana, Nanum Shegu, Nadi to my eye. Edumen, it was so, say a pay, Piatra so, Nindian Twassum, go to Cranin, Pessamin coming out, Eddie ain't bremu the mama ya sassy hold on to say. Oh my no, oh my no, yes and I horse, oh my full private jet, oh my no, yes and I horse,
yeah, we go. Okay, this is my motherland, Lady Ghana tiny. Anything I go talk, we make a time. Bo, wapu boniya hey, boni dane fe hey. Many me fende hi kati, many won't pay. Male bahi ke yi fende baja minke bo. When you look on India la wapwe mi keklobo. I promise on my own I'm both taya ni and shona. Ling off mina sana, libuko na no shona.
Yawaena Zumunci ya fi komai kowane kabila ka fito za a yi da kai banda bambanci mu daina zalunci Ubangijin Allah wai ma zumunci ya fi komai annan Muhammad wai ma zumunci ya fi komai iyayenmu wai ma zumunci ya fi komai
abusia medawase se o hwe me na wutie me so platforms ahodo eso na wanya ebre e de ama me na no peyi na enche bia ana West African Examination Council etimi eba ya wodi ebetu dwa se ye mofra ye ho fasefo ye nuanom a okotro Basic Education Certificate Examination BC so nyame adom wodi ehun sunsanso no e de aba. And I'm so my daily graphic. Me can't say I am a percent say official sources na me dey adwuma. Ya no bloggers here be obi timi di bi ba obi na akwakọ bibi o. Graphiconline.com daily graphic and kasa de from be 487. Aha 9 edu okon so de. Wo mo nkata na etwam. A wo mo no munya results bia fa nko senior high school. Na etwam ni ba no say mo from be how come edu so de. Na te so mo so no the friend pending just on kata no since wiem and no you see a gym and say ka ho as I say ni na examination malpractice wo met me den kata boni bia ko ro be so twetwe om kon ne ade a as I say ka so mu nsua ade a wo mu nsua wo de be wie no say abofra bi opese wetimi ehwa ne results ne die www.wayegh.org okohwa wo betimi akwa akohu ne ekon ne eba na ne obenya bia no wafa nsa na what the short code by *994# and also no betimi ahwe na wetimi di ehu ne ekoso ba me mo chemu na afi me kokodi nkomo a wo chemu a wo se amofra na ekokotro nso hwe no na se wo hwa afi etwa mu no ani afi we mofra do ekotro no ade afi we die na wo so 2.78% o chemu mienu echi po edu so enwotwe na se afi die na etimi ekọ nanimu a what is the meaning let me aboa pa ama emofrei won so etimi apem e de akọ manimu why dey chemu na ba wa cheche nsemu pa na SSA go Ghana de yeso no yete nsem ne sana results iba ni abo api ho de akwakohwe emofrei bi ebo mo modern ni ade na ene o medi nkomo de kese pa ye kogu nya mu do sampa se obabi wo fie na results e ba no nya 54 anase 48 ana 35 na wo hu asem abeka cheza say mo friend bi yade mo friend bi yade pa na ena me mo friend mi nsa ebedi nkomo ofi ha me ne mo friend mi nsa ebedi nkomo ofi ha na o man kasa atre ye kwan on fa so a BC so hwei wo mu si atre ye modern boy fi mu ba ne ade na wa kasa so sampa epu amantama ne ebutu ntini bibi ba na ye gina ye akasa mensi mu ne ye di nkomo ne ato apeti o man Ghana mu na bibia etimi akoso yie jumadi ni ago Ghana Virgin Television so Virgin FM online and afi Virgin One TV GH Facebook Instagram na YouTube etima me kona me ne emofra ne konkodi nkomo na afi wo so wahu nia ekoso ewo emu minimum di bad minimum se o ye mofra wo mo transfer na afi bi eti mebu some ne ye course wan kasa covid ni mu ne ye course nyina wa man kasa begu emu nche ma me sha se mfi abufra odi kan na enche bi obey guy pent no na o sha se mu ni di na fi Yanko eni wa go Ghana dwumadi so. Abrante Rose.
The friend me Amo Isaac.
Amoa Isaac. Okay, ufri he.
Achim Friday so ya.
Ufri adeso. Krom he ya. Very good. Mama nko ni otoso mi.
Oche friend me Atagulu Sylvia Rumpa.
Won so fi he.
So mi fi Edu Kofi, e be ade sukuru.
Edu Kofi. Okay. I'm also by adeso. Very good.
Oche friend ma Uja Ken Sport.
What's way?
Few class.
O cross, I'm also bang. Nti me potem afo ya na no pay. Me ne wo mu edi nkomo ago Ghana so. My question is Isaac, right? Very good. Isaac. Oko school was success. So Oko school was success. Success ni a private school ba ko a. E wa pa West Achem district mu ade so kroma. E ho na omoko school na me ne omudi nkomo na no pay. E wa ago Ghana so. Wo sha se fi e ho.
Acho David.
Wo sha se fi.
Sha se fi me ma me keto awo. Krodua.
Oh, Kodia. Kodia na capital town of Ghana na.
Acho David.
Hin cheche mu.
Ewo Kasua ne Bojo Asante mu.
Enti kro keto na akese.
Kro keto bi e hye
Hye ho no. Very good. Wa na she school ase. Ana fi wo na obesin call private school was successful. Very good. Oko ho no. What check your results? What check your results? What check it? Very good. Tama BC na ebrebe so na makotro no na COVID wo ani ade ede ahobwa na wo ye
o me wo fi nyina
kasa
me wo fi nyina na mesua de nyina mu na mesambo mpaibo e kire nyame se ombo an
ya se ko echi kakra aha
se ne ebe ya metumi apase me so hwe
ana de bi na ye wo bo mpaye saa
acho de bi
ti chichiri mu
mesua de kakra kan
kakra
oh enye kakra sa
ti chichiri mu ahwefo ne ti voti
mesua de yen so
osua de
acho
wa na osua na ama me no papa ne ka se sua na se
oh me ana me film na me ye
ba ma no papa de o man ka se sua de
acho de bi
wa nka se o hu se so osua de
acho
very good ti wo no ne ahombo a wo ye okay ma me ko de odi su ne so so won so COVID no mu no dey na wo ye ka se mo ko tena fie
O man ka sa me fato no so se bibia medumi se yare abamu na esan be ko school ntino me ho esua ade na ma ofo time tinti wo se me se sabiri ya medumi ide mu se mu ye de na so se me yere ma na mi sua ade
etu de wa ofo so pian se yoro ho na sua ade ma me mra so ho COVID no mu na dey na so wo ye
you may own senior because the teachers from catching and top at school in A class into during the COVID time. So, textbook contain me and son of the party. Send a baby to nature, yes, of any year. Send a bit my exam, Nippon ever save in future.
Okay. And COVID no na ma social fund any way in common idea. COVID the moment the program be by. What was it? The Ghana Education Service the be by their friends. Joy learning. Move baby. How was your experience? What here no? Na to say.
Oh, nay good.
Good dem ntia say.
Good say. So be it to say. So unko. Say.
Cheche mi mu.
Nkan say we. So what if you na say unko school abetumi ahwe beboa.
Okay. And the subject meaning and now follow. Oh, okay. I share joy learning and I will share. Church also mommy will experience na me.
Na because near me do her nanka school no. Send your nanka watch our day fan. Unya other information about topics be ananka teacher for child school.
Oh, okay. And the aboa also share.
But I
also mommy will experience na you mean sense na there.
send them call it in a kind. Then see if you are teachers who can be like in share by other teaching method. It means some the young one, the castle on there like exposure to certain things in their mind.
Oh, okay. It's more share joy learning. Okay, that was great. My name BC Mofrebi and a bon command on the I believe someone so share. Na ba wo fia na won say ampa Ghana baby a ehumesua ne edu no ye expose emofra no to higher learning no ma wabeti ne bia say enye kane na obi tete baby ehun ne ekọ say no atwam ye kọ enim Isaac mamra wo so nti mo hwe joy learning ne ade no den emwa na musuku ne so de bo am na say mu acheche for the bo am within those covid period no
say yen teachers na wo chere ade
sata na say na mu ni school nti dem one of the bo am Isaac mam sha say fuse
say wo share dem my say yesua joy learning ye share joy learning program ni senior we COVID-19 period no never any say
yakọ enim ati mo hwe joy learning ni yi nti COVID-19 period na ha
senior be bo an na etumi esua ade e ofie
okay
senior ko ye ni school ma betumi e bibi ofie
okay in that time you know teachers for ne so support mo say mo sua mo hwe joy learning programs ni bi okay that was great Mami Brown so
that period ni na no
Rompa anameboa
that period ni na no me de so mi share bi na mi ase a mitime fa mema mi phone na ma frɛ mi teachers no na me bisa won na nwa cheche mi ti sa bi ni na no wata ni tipa
okay teachers for na sa ta do mo nai they were still available no na muti omuka Rompa na muti omuka
won anye ya shi
na muti omuka
bachelor
and free okay that was great Mami Brown so teachers for no them one or share on the board those period sa period ni hu nyampa because ma ni ma be brebe o nti
during the COVID time teachers no boy o mai hu say enyam kwan e o ba still o mai so sina me ka say na e plus no pass on the textbook you so bi ni antia say me contact one na mo bo an ye say na e betia say
oh okay many mo frɛ eguso di nkomo ye hwɛ BEC resource aba no na ya hwɛ omo from that angle as students no omo so modern bo anase na efi mu ban no na so etimi enyemu chefan na no pay Isaac me say aba so bi nkomo na all round and edi o person can brofo kwa betimi aka French, Spanish, German bibia person can be it's allowed as a Ghana for you na ehwe enti covid no etwa mu no ana say yes ba from no ana ka say mo mbre school meboa mo koya no na mo bre fini emotion dodo no ana
dabi esan we joy learning program na ehwe ni e boa en mai to capture nyama yesua dada nya
ana mo koya na mo start say mo sua de no how was learning like mo ko fie wo say na mo joy learning ba mo ba back na et say ne na mo nim na anasese
you improve kakra e boa en pa joy learning program
okay Mami Brown so ho mo ko back no na addition say
na addition ko su yi say na net ansa ni ebe ko fi na ye ba so no say yi teacher for back class na ye sua de a edu be bi na bibi a wo hwe wo joy learning time na utimi de bem na teaching na hwa mo na we discuss no obi anya ho ntiase
okay that was great the way they buy no na and just say be am we fi bibi I want so mobile back na ho addition say
but na no e be say like ni esuade yi pa send me work as school ni ma join so taking advice from our teachers
okay
my improving more crowd during the COVID period one year because that time in school maybe I ain't me time coins away for school but during that 3 months time or whatever it my time I miss on the
okay ti mobile no na uhun say mo colleagues ni nyina na mo nyina mo je okay like you are impressed with what Joy Learning was teaching any teachers na advice on the mama na mo nyina mo you okay na mo mu bi mo he na mo you okay na mo class in set say yes obi abit me
no de bra ya samba bank no eno no se unti bibia sha na se usua bibi na se on shadan tiasia ya yɛn yɛtumi ehyia yɛn ho discuss ehwɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ na sɛ yɛntumi a yɛn teacher for at any time o de mo na wa boy
na mo teachers for nko bi ne ba o ma nko fi
omo
nko baby say na school bi
me won say work or baby cause at any time o be free won bia no they are always ready to help.
Oh, okay. Also, me bisa also o se school ase wo Krobi FM zen. Krodia. Ana also
me fear so successful.
I was school now you na. Oh, okay. If he level ben.
Neju.
To the complete. Yeah, go to school. Okay. That's interesting. To the what shall see if you are from the onset. Once way.
Me share to class.
O class. Ana obeto aso. Success so ko what time be.
Me call see I think class 130 we call
class. And you say on so me fan so share say na class 1 this na I want share the academic experience here. Oh, okay. That's great. Not to say make it can be able man 40 years here. Not to say dry line boam. Ana wan kasa so mo ke kan musu ya de. Ana ma church for no so e kan ho eboa mo ma otimi esua de. It na ni nyina na ka bo mu ai ma ene no omo so omatimi abo ho modin a yakoye nim ewo enkoma yedi eso. Afi yento aso na yenhwe challenges am face within that period no. Challenges, semical challenges am tiase. Enime bia na ohwe ta like how school mu na obeti na fie e wom se na wo follow TV programs, wo follow online programs na enyepe. Enti yenhwe enime bia wo fe ma na mu se kai wo school man keye. One the best chance am. Okay. Yenkwe.
Mom yo fie no moment de na e fancy na e ka because see you school mu dia ene de nya kwan isua de fan ba ye wo fie no o ma na ejuma kaka be bo afo kaka kan tie no etwetwe ye kaka ba no so ya ma no mu ya be mu kra.
Okay. It's not say mu nya full concentration to say den ga wo school mu a na mo ye borders and the students.
But you know ye borders.
Me ya ni ye borders.
Na mo ye borders. And the borders am ko fie be ko afum. Ana wo ko ye bank managers ne. I don't know what team sir. Okay. Nti mo ba mo ye bank managers ne ade nya sir. Very good. Nti also challenges no ma me hu de on na.
Then kind of encourage say a family obligation at home. Like economic function e be boy afuma mo juma bia wo ye bia be tumi tumpon mo nyeska supporting education system. Challenges in there, no, but still, they also help us. It was to 2 years for when I was sharing my son.
It's not challenge now, similar to the other room air cam. Okay, Isaac also.
Also the same as
Similar room air cam. Now, Boama, I know, Papa. Oh, my day.
Oh, now, mamma, they don't not on porridge.
Porridge near the with you. Porridge, no can see with you. Cocoa. It's now one, now you're doing cocoa.
Oh, now it's on cocoa and I join and a pavia.
Okay. And to COVID nearby and Moko if you're not on cocoa. And now since you are the combining cocoa tone and then additional. Okay. Room pounds now, oh, day. Jenny.
We're not mammy to a fum near no bites a bunch and continue about market.
It now so for banty.
Tina me buano se okoto a me ko buano na se kan so ba ba be fa
buana na body manager
body de mi mu ba kana buano
na buano oh I believe say emofra no komo no we ni je ho esan say wo hwa omo ni obi a meka say omma me no papa mu adwuma no wo so bia sabat omo boa wo emofra no so Ebron was shomasi. Mami ko within here then.
Abuja Kingsford.
Kingsford, eho na onwie na fi mi twa ho mra me ba. Na fi ya TSBC no results ne be ba no. Ene afi e ba wie no. na ya bon komo eto so nyina wa go Ghana so Kingsford onso na ma me ye den koko an den banchi ne body and so dey na ma me to enwa
But that.
no ye den
Now I'm going to drink.
ani ice kinky ani na me ne bi edi ni ade okay enti onso na aboa no
But I.
na pai ice kinky no
Oh, me didn't have a teacher.
ba na pai ice kinky show
That. And they will do investment. I'm packing you on to go as no you must have.
okay enti eno na me kan but ni nyina mu they managed to take you to a private school right na oba ka no the fees we kana me your headmaster be busam na ma say omo ti on fees ya na e ba me busam wa okay ago Ghana so ni Virgin Television Virgin 1 TV Virgin FM online ye from Dimash ye gu so edi ko bi series as e buy no ana ye bobo ben go nyamu mo fra no e bi na me no mo ti ya yedi enkomo no na wan kasa yedi enkomo ni wiago sampa e be bi ehuma su edu no se wo ne wo ba wo fa se wo fia e boa no no su ade esa se wo boa no no su ade a ensu so no wo ana wo betim echa ma me se echa no ho na me ba na ye de enkomo no ne eto aso no aka ho
Yanara Sassini, airport in Limaye, Mojana Nanum Shegu, Nadi to Homaye, Edumene was so, say a bay, Piatwaso, Nindian Twasum, Kutu Craninia, Pessamin coming out, Eddie Bremo, the Mamaya Sassi, Hodo, what to say. Oh my no, oh my no, yes and I say, oh my full private jet, oh my no, yes and I say, oh my full private jet.
Here we go. Okay, this is my motherland, Lady Ghana tiny. Anything I go talk, we make a time. Bo, wapu boniya hey, boni dane fe hey. Many me fende hi kati, many won't pay. Male bahi ke yi fende baje minke bo. Boy you no ko ninja la wapwe mi ke klobo. I promise on my own I'm boko taya ni emi shona. Ling off mina sana, ni boko na no shona.
Yamwaena Zumunci ya fi komai kowane kabila ka fito za a yi da kai banda bambanci mu daina zalunci
abusia masamo akwa bebiem na ago Ghana so another payedi nkoma for basic education certificate examination results are why ka release na emofra bia won so tro bi no ana eni o madi nkoma ye hwe o experience e won say edume bi a program na na penifo na ba so but na ye hwe emofra no so their point of view on certain issues where your mom dia one the culture so no it is a woni obi a be analysis a comprehensive one of course woman na say timi no madi nkoma first answer na yetimi ene obi foforo bia edi enkomo mami mra musu bi na mi musa say Mocho BC, you know, what were some of the circumstances and surrounding the exams and everything? Mocho exams, net at the same. One of the chassis.
Oh, na a cool moon.
Also, I can cool, a good, and maybe I say, maintain.
Oh, now vigilation and so good.
Nay, good. Now, young show.
Oh, Davy.
Now, send what BC did that. Now, tell no, not at the same. And so I could do was net saying. Can be the one I'm here.
Oh, me say me Markument. So me call us Markument saying so.
It you found normal.
Yeah, I'm fine normal say. In class Thursday. That's the class work.
Okay, some more class test, more class work. I mean, tell you. I didn't teach you.
He says,
now what you be easy need you them.
Oh, Davy. Me find senior. On my work our class I was saying.
Therefore, I'm not getting him because BC finance and I can so often DJ Whiteman as because Nidia na the more they pan. Okay, what's Nidia come okay. And you would also fancy class work. Okay. Ebia umi anu chimwa ahefo native obetese ha also
mom de na ya tete pa se bi mo kwa omu yemu sisi won ya de ba kwa mi se uni BBC we no so na so pese we ya umi ahu na se wo hwe no na so be ya suru bi enim ye ko exam so wo de na suru bi enim
Now you're school prefect.
wa chon
Oh, okay. Okay, school prefect for the yes, internet with some. And this will be any. Okay, that's great. And also,
But
now you show pa.
oh, that because due to our preparation, you know, like near share.
Okay, professor was due to our preparation. Okay. It's now preparation, Ben. At the more year, BC be what them one.
Oh, that be like getting closer to the examination. Your learning and understand your preparation for examination too. During that time, you were school after COVID-19. We were very close to our examination too. Your teachers remember your sub questions and other things. Say if that take Friday test and other things.
Most started Friday test. More to move with the preparation. No? Preparation, there's so much what goes into the preparation. And yes, I make us when you pull. I think preparation, what's the preparation about?
Now, like I say, that take
Friday test, one.
Every Friday in your train. Saturdays, yeah, for classes, Saturday classes. And even after that, you know, I also get more organizing classes.
Most students now.
Yeah, and now during the school weeks, you know, so it would good discussion and yeah, discussing. After we change, we don't see about evening classes and some of us now it's not the throughout the night.
Mine.
Yeah.
Now to go down our box that. Okay. Mommy, I was answering my question because it's getting interesting. More mocks. You got me cast me mocks.
Yeah.
Me time a mock and 2 and 3. Yeah. A moment.
3.
More 3 mocks. Oh my god.
Watch
I'm greedy mo.
But there's one thing. At any point in time, they throw those exams. What try and send you be behavior during the examination period in 19. Like what try and send you be see for IED until no. Yeah.
No, very cool. I record the back preparation now.
Oh, preparation is the senior colleague.
By microphone.
Senior my colleague Nika and yes,
okay.
Na mine in net, you could say,
okay.
I
have to count. I am command the airport. I have 4 it's for free. So that's it. Aha. We do resources not say near the end. Then, no dear, maybe more you should.
We do sometimes cram. With me, I do a test, but teachers no class me, you catch them say,
oh, yeah, dear.
Oh, yeah. What
me are the same. What me are
oh, ever so about 10, it means 8, 9, but still a catch saying, because I want 18 years for what reason? Into that encourages
someone in the movie. And what's it?
What's one?
Yes, I want because I had the one train to know.
I don't know.
Just I want.
One brain.
It's and I'm bro. Okay, that's great. My name of friend in Komo. BC in Soriana Hong Kong na Egusua. Yeah, one another power go Ghana. So. It teaches one of the natures of Mujina Mososa. Say Marco to that. I'm Isaac. Dear Nakaipa.
Says same.
A mad Benny Aboa Kaipa.
Oh, is a classwork.
Classwork will be our year.
Classwork and lateness to school. Yeah.
Chebako Kaipa, you said you would describe what you mean. Then,
well, no, it's a mammy, a humanity.
Kukuno.
Yeah. A man about school late in a band until we ain't churching or chim no guan. 6.
A rapper. Okay. Very interesting. The Bassa wall. Okay. It's 1 year late view. Oh, Bobo Kukuna Montem. Scoopy.
Maybe they not
the okay pan.
Nay, yeah, science teacher train. But my son calling Tenku Bisano for further details. And what train. By that Friday test 9. That's it. A question related to that.
The Okubisana.
And a mere mistake. Hi, Emano.
Okay, so interesting. School the air and money. Afi, Mammy call Kingsford. We didn't hear that the Tiana. I can't for them so then too.
Oh, Mr. Mekai, during our creation was what I tell you, enter past school by English past school near Soba. Every school near somewhere so because you know book from above. Into news and so. In the same years, young past school down our change. Yet tobacco crow buying into a kind of 2012 past question. It was over 32 young yet literature spectrum and
no mucha to answer.
Yes, about 33 and something like that. Everyone, yeah, we try about 31 over 32.
Which are 31 over 32.
Still away about 6.
I have 48 for 80. Well, I am not penny say, I'm a friend and Cassa. A to bow if you know, Kunyan 9 over 40 back. Now you are the man. And you, and then, and you 30 over 32. One also an experience of him. Podcast, greatness has little beginning. And you know, the I can't say no. Maybe next time interview, no, they wouldn't be students here. And you know, Bomodi said, Oberman, the best of education. Agugana so eba me tufo na enkomo ayebo yi no se bibi koso teacher ni bi ma oba pressure suade yi say ya oh ha no awofo na kasa so mon contribute. It doesn't matter what you do because ye cocoa for money banchi for money cocoa drink for money no within komo enti eye se nyakopon wo hye no anunyam na no pay becha no ho aba. But before then, me felt way and film. 80 being in the amateur atmosphere and everything was okay. More private school. Some more private school. Very good. And then I was seeing apart from academic work, you know. And then I want to say, school now quite an amma. Side the corner, we're seeing a coming. And now Mukusia be a book now. Until Bakunchasi.
In school. School is not about only books and we're talking about social.
It's not about the four corners of the wall, and then the two ends of the book.
Yeah. What like, and it's not about only books and we're training how to be confident and
how to be
confident.
Confident. Okay.
Didn't
be Mike more with me, Kassan.
Now, what's that training? Sending it's not Kassan. Yeah, you are no.
Then you're not sure more. Okay. Scorpios then I was here.
Now what chance senior? Was it you wouldn't say if you school more about you use paper coin, you do money until what chance senior? You be far boy embra.
Okay.
Oh, Krumana say you do baby.
And also not much more about life. Almost 2 more folk. Okay. Isaac.
I check from your chain how to comport ourselves in public.
Roughly, I'm saying,
if you ever win, be I will say a comport here, issue respect and so.
Timon, Bassa, you did do crew. I'm wrong, Pabuan and none. Commander, you go aid in on the channel who bar after a bed could be see resource no, Ankasemu near Boncomonia after the way forward after Hano. Some of them will go to senior high technical institutions, senior high schools, and after technical institutions, vocational institutions. Obi so wa kusin adwuma. Ni nyina no e ka ho bi. Ti me ba na fa ya hwe e ho no. Na enkora na nkasa afutu om de be ma no. Wo as a viewer, as a listener, no one kasa so wetimi afa bi e de afiri me ba.
Yanara Sassini, Airport in my eye, Mojana Nanum Shegu Nadi to all my eye. Edumene was so say a pay a piazza so Nindian twassum go to craninia, Pessamin coming out. Eddie ain't Bremo, the Mamaya Sassi, who do what to say. Oh my no, oh my no, I said I said, oh my full private jet, oh my no, I said I said,
Okay, yeah, we go. Okay, this This is my motherland, Lady Ghana tiny. Anything I go talk, make a time. Bo, Boniya hey, Boni Dane fe hey. Many me fende he kati, many won't pay. Maleba he can you fende Bajamin Kabo. When you look on India, la wapwe mi keklobo. I promise on my own, I'm over tire near me shona. Ling off a mina sana, Libukuna no shona.
Yawaena Zumunci ya fi komai kowane kabila ka fito za a yi da kai banda bambanci mu daina zalunci
nti abusiafo yeguso ejina mu agogana so na no pe ya yedi nkomo ya ne mo fry ana wo ifi ha agogana dwumadi so BC so hwe no ehun nkomo na ye bo a waye the results number ana me ne mo fry edi nkomo mama musa mo mesha say Isaac so Isaac one mesha say we go be acting there me hu pa results ne baba no na adwen be no na abawutrim na hu ni se abekose
o no ni se be ko ya
beba no adentia
you say addition na mission any how I dedicated myself
na say examination favors the fool ana
and the
some was not say the fool sir
oh that
na dey no now say na uni say be ko yi
the son in pai boy me boy
obon pai bon so ntina yakopon ntimi nu hwam okay Scoopy
we're not about who meeting plan say I always say the risk worth the reward
sign for me be mommy I have one idea for one thing na what say if you think education is expensive we say try ignorance I want to say yes can say na can be na that's a DJ Washman near Japan oh we are the better self
they say the risk worth the reward you know I always say that me the two no say ni ebe ye bia no was me ni bia me free pa and Eddie tina was say and I'm my offer me na me last born tina was say me ye bia ai
okay
tina was say me ye bia e be she wo nyina anunyam
wow
any misuku any baby am free
enemy
pa osoka
sure mama ni me some baby na dia ye okay Kingsford also
oh but you can
we want ni beba no na you we no a resource ni beba na hu ni say
oh na we are normal
na bia normal na we am shisho na ni say we benya grade born na
oh that me wo fenya me say menya mixing grade
what first school ben first choice
St. Peter's
now we were in that so pass of grade ni be very good
but
Isaac no so what first school ben first choice
so me first St.
Augustine so so
me fa Ghana senior high
until obi amfa senior high okay obi amfa nya hwe afa yen results no mo na mo check mo na mo check
I check it school
what check o mo school mo okay nti mo check no mo tro how many subjects and mo anya French nti mo tro 8 nti 8 no unya 1 ahe
unya 1 5
unya 1 no mako 5 okay you did war ana others no nya ahe
unya 2 year
ana treba ko wow ahwefo enye se obi na eka obi nsi tododo ematoa ona atu nenum the resource unya na work I have to show you evidence of that until we share I want us to say ni work and Kingsford why are they messing about so be Scoopy won so
me
8 in nya one
bachelor
DJ wise man 8 in nya one 18 DJ wise man so your no ska akodi why are they pa onsu nya he
so nya 6 1
onsu nya 6 ones ana de aka no nya
3 back and 2 back
very good enti results no normal kan one 7 8 ones 6 ones 5 ones least grade of 3 back and at least grade of also 3, right?
Yeah.
Maya de. My friend about whom was the Omco school was success. School in success preparatory school, right?
Yeah.
Success, you know. So Hona went me and ya the Pebby and the was a man. Maya de pa, but young twice went to be a busy. Nothing, no, yeah, round the up near Uncle. As they say, no matter whom one more de pa, but I should be a woman. Ghana for a shamo. So, Pebby Beba. That's how you're my intimate. Timoyo, now I'm coming in 816151. I'm a friend of nobody and come and nay. Moka the same year, no. Now, me did the same grade more than me because Sunday Mocasa Tiano, my dear Tiano. But more atrophobia, a boamo, more basso nafino. Yankee.
Oh,
I had such in fear.
Steve Bryan, my English teacher said a head teacher with school. And I thought that serious because this teacher helped me very a lot. After the COVID-19, one of my training change to tell me school.
Okay.
Whether Sabali, whether all the teachers.
All the teachers. Almost Success International School.
Yeah.
Okay. Young course to school.
The teachers in the better ones, because one boy. And I teach any about car, person, Madame Sepa. If you say, may share some not mean yet that very good.
8 ones now, they're very good.
May share self bracket to an army very good. Make I class 1, maybe also 7.
Oh, class 1.
But moving to class 2, no, you teacher be a friend, say Kadri Ibrahim.
Okay.
Kadri Ibrahim. This teacher helped me a lot. Right from class 1, 7, class 2, I was first time.
Throughout. Wow.
You teachers in the salute. So I was first time.
Throughout. Wow.
You teachers in the salute.
Okay. That was great. Then why is it so?
The teachers in the on me, my catcher on saying, I'm going to
Okay. Ye crown. A foot to Ben had the Bema, a school for a school of success. A good school who do. After number should be easier. Foot to Ben and the mom. Because you better have part 2 of this discussion. You better have part 2 of this discussion. You know, foot to Ben and the mom.
For me, I would say everyone should believe in him or himself. Believe in yourself. No matter where you come from, no matter your background, you can still make it.
Okay.
So just believe in yourself. And one thing, never forget your object of worship.
Your object of worship.
True.
What the end then?
I'm a Christian.
Me na me so no bi. Enti na me say bia, won so work to obi tempase. Enti Yakopon abo mo pa. Okay. Mo so mo bi am beka. Futu am di ma.
Like I told you, they should be hard working, even more than us. Like one, no one to do their searching because they said hard work and determination produce better results. Where you don't want to miss somebody, we did this with my yard clutching.
Okay. Isaac.
I catch a more school. Said, one tear for 2. Now since you hadn't come, and yet change 1 sample 5. Okay. Send
some of our way no. Oh my yard. I believe say event be by the show me no nyam. Edua ago Ghana so me mo so esi wo ho. Monchia na fe ye fancy. Che nipa be ni no bi. Because I need to be here TV so.
My sister or Kaswa. Sister Naomi.
Okay.
And Sina, my brother Aqua or Spinters. Braju.
Okay.
Miss Micha, Mamma, Mrs. Atablu Lucy, Michani Fadia Michelle. And the spiritual father is Prophet Seth Kubri of Pure Power Pentecostal, Amakrum.
Okay.
This one has been very supportive.
Wow. I like the way you speak English. I wish I could speak English like that. This man has been very supportive. Okay.
But answer me, madam, parents and teachers for us because most opportunity. Even my colleagues in so come was more supporting. Oh, to bad peer pressure, ever force more. When you're enough for now, what I when encourage you. Miss Mitchell, Papa, Mr. Isaac Auja, Mitchell, Mrs. Auja, Elizabeth Dacon, Mitchell, me or soft, Messi Chama.
Okay.
I feel so good at the class.
Okay. My friend, me no me din komo enne. E wa go Ghana so ofie na no pay no. Isaac afi Rompa ana Kingsford. One the can say omo school was Success Preparatory School. E wo Upper West Achem District crew I friend no adeso. And district no e capital. Na eho ana mo free no omo bo mo de pa. Isaac nya 6 ones out of 8 subjects. Rompa or the 8 ones, 8 over 8, and Kingsford 5 ones. Their list results was for a particular subject was 3. Oma chance be brave moment to your fontino. Yabapa 2 before from no. Yabeka Safa baby or more cock near French ban ye any and why the bromo a foot in cranshe any be a cambiano. Now so wet me abwa. Na e mo frɛ bɔ mo de pa e wo ehumesua mu no yeti epion esa se Ghana we bi ne ehwe enye sabi niema ehon tie niema emwa eti o ma church for no ma do ma se pa me so meka so ma ya de esa se results na ba yi se na a church for na en tan ti omudi but awofo di bem afia mansa ba no Kofi Menu eba no but say Michael the en tan ti ni eti no o ma bo mo de Yakopon insure a church for ni insure ma wofo na enhye wo so nkran se mo fra fi Edu Kofi ba Kofi wo so fi Edu Kofi another one Okrasi ana adeso etimi abo mo de se ya na eye ade ese ye koso ebo mo ba so ntino enkomo no ha na edi besi ye rapa 2 na se ba beto aso ntino se bia ope enchemu bia ope bibia ope se wote enkomo ye di hu a 0547 28 69 39 0547 28 69 39 0547 28 69 39 na wa WhatsApp me wa send me SMS na wa fra me na yetimi abon komo yimu enchemu na mo fra no yetimi abon na ahye mo enunyam ana no achi no marketing department 0246 440033 opese when you be di dwa obe sponsor o make inquiries ni nyina no number no de kape abo adwuma aka won achi editing so no na gina mu DJ Wise Man na nekwe ata ana mabena adobia wo nyina etimi form strong team a bibie etimi ko yie me am tena dwamedi pa kwesi dimanche nyame ya domo a ye bese ahia wa go Ghana so otena na ye di nkomo a be bo man Ghana nyame nka ho
Yanara assassini airport in my mojana na num shegu na de tu ho my Edumene was so say a pay piatwa so Nindian twaso kutu craninia Pesame coming out Eddie ain't bremo the mama ya sassy hodo what to say Oh my no Oh my no I said I hose on my full private jet Oh my no
Here we go. Okay, this is my motherland, Lady Ghana tiny. Anything I go talk, we make a timing. Bo, wapu boniya hey, boni dane fe hey. Many me fende he kati, many won't pay. Male bahi ke fende baja minke bo. Boy no ko ninja la wa kwe mi keklobo. I promise on my own I'm go tire ni ni shona. Ling off me na sana, ni boko na no shona.
Yawaena, zumunci ya fi komai. Kowan kabila kapito. Zahira kai banda bambanci mu daina zalunci Ubangijin Allah wai ma zumunci ya fi komai annan Muhammad